What it is, YouTube Nation. We're back at it again. Let's open the garage. What are we doing today? Today's install day. And this one's a doozy. Maybe? Super easy, I think. Let me put you down, turn you around, and show you what we get. Show you what we got. Please hold. That's right. Screamin Eagle Ohlins, whatever. Fat guy, hard ride, gonna be a soft ride. You wanna see what's inside the box? Well, here we go. Screws and a couple zip ties. Stickers. We got the brackets for the canisters. The canister. And the shock. Gray Poupon's over there. We're gonna bring Gray Poupon over here, put it up on the scissor jack, and let the install begin. It's just a few bolts, a few screws, and one nut job. Let's do it. All right, so I got my drag specialties scissor jack. It's a 1-inch socket. Make sure it's underneath both rails, both sides. Hold the handlebar because it's gonna lay over. It's gonna lean straight. Or I guess it's gonna unlean. So what we're shooting for is the back tire to be off the ground. It's off. All right, we gotta take the bags off. All right, now we got the bags off. Now we're gonna take these bolts off, 3/4 inch. Fat guys like to sit when they screw. Got this bad boy the other day. First time using it. Let's check it out. Is it going the right way? No. Take it off. Need a longer arm. Hold on. Got my 12-inch extender. All right. The seal has been broken. So number one, off. Pretty heavy. I don't know if there's a weight difference. We'll weigh them and see. All right, the stock shock that comes on the bike, 2,573 grams. Put that into pounds. That's 5 pounds, 10.8 ounces. So 5 pounds, 11 ounces. All right, the Ohlins with canister. 1,896 grams. So that's like 700 grams lighter. Let's see how many pounds that is. 4.28 pounds. So almost like 1.5 pounds. All right. So here's the instructions that it comes with. Shows you all the parts that you get. You get 2 different size spacers. And they'll explain that here in a second. I think we're using the short spacer. Part numbers, yada yada. Install. So we gotta take out these two. This one and this one. All right, so then we use the spacers. Because I have the docking hardware for tour pack or whatever. Because I have the docking hardware, you use the short spacer. There's a short one and a long one. We're gonna use the short one. These screw onto the back. All right, so we're just gonna tighten these down. Nothing crazy. And put them in the holes. Take the screws that they provide. A lot of action going on in the neighborhood today. Don't they know I'm a YouTuber? We're in the studio right now, and they're gonna mow grass in my studio. What the hell? All right, now we tighten them on. Not crazy tight. Next thing is put the shock on, put the canister in the canister holder, and then tighten it up, and then zip tie. So canister in, shock in, get in. I put Loctite. Make sure you don't cross thread. Okay, we're gonna have to put the bike down just a little bit of pressure on this, so this will fit in, because the holes aren't quite lining up. Maybe one more little. Nope, we're in. Next part. Now we screw in the part that holds the canister straight. Bada boom, bada bing. Side one done. Let's go do the other side. And done. And yeah, I'm sweating like a pig, man. Hot and humid in the HTX, bro. Okay, get the seat back on, get the bags on. Let's go for a ride. All right, let's go for a quick rip. See how this bitch rides. Well, it feels smooth. You can feel the front end a lot more now. It feels a little bit stiffer. The back feels nice. It's not adjusted yet. I'll show you that too. I gotta read the diagram and do all that, but I have time to adjust it today. It feels like it's pretty damn smooth. So ended up this cul-de-sac, go back. We'll actually do a proper review when I get my motovlog setup going on, if you know what I mean. Be your own boss. Yeah. Tight U's, tight U's. It does feel good. It feels real good. Well, I would say solid upgrade at a solid price. Like $1,600, but just from that little bit of riding, it felt nice. Once we go on a long ride, I'm sure it'll feel even better. But it definitely makes the front end feel like crap. So we're gonna have to fix that too. Simple install. I'm only sweating because it's hot as balls. And I'm in a garage with no circulating air. And I'm fat. Maybe I'm less fat now that I sweat a little bit. But anyway, bang bang biting, peace, love, and funky vibes. Out.
Thanks for watching.